Create a market code wise sales in INR report with a date filter using Power By with field, inf NBR invoice number, INV date, exchange rate, so type, ORD NBR order number, order date, prom date, customer ID, name customer, customer class ID, cust class description, sys per ID, market code, ship state, inv ID, investor description, he ship, cat prefix, curry cost, curry sales price, curry list price, disc percent, curry total cost, curry to inv, curry ID, for family, CPPR class sub, primary vend ID, alternate ID, CPI promise date, CPI revised date, initial list price, curry to miscellaneous, curry to FRT INV, curry to merge, curry balance due, T ord, cust ord number, sales in inner.